This tined stone is worth millions of dollars. And it all begins deep inside the earth.
This is how the world's largest diamond companies do it.
Every step is tightly controlled and carefully monitored.
Diamonds are formed over billions of years under extreme pressure. Modern mining uses precision methods to extract diamond-rich rock. The raw material is crushed into smaller pieces.
Modern mining uses precision methods to extract diamond-rich rock.
From deep underground to luxury showcases.
The rock is washed and separated by density. Diamonds naturally stick to grease surfaces. Advanced sensors help locate hidden diamonds. Diamonds react differently to X-rays than regular stone.
At this stage, they look nothing like jewelry.
Each diamond is handled with extreme care.
One mistake can ruin the stone.
Laser technology shapes the stone.
Now, the transformation begins.
Security is strict at every stage.
Even slight color differences affect value. Internal flaws are carefully examined.
Artificial intelligence assists human experts.
Diamonds are sorted by size, shape, and quality. Experience still matters more than machines. Polishing brings out the diamond's brilliance. Now, the diamond begins to shine.
Perfect angles maximize sparkle.
Each diamond must meet strict standards.
A microscopic ID ensures authenticity.
Every finished diamond is securely stored.
Diamonds are transported under heavy security.
These machines recreate Earth's natural conditions.
Today, some diamonds are grown in laboratories. They look identical to the naked eye.
Some diamonds are sent directly to jewelers.
Transparency is key in modern diamond markets.
Only approved buyers can access these stones.
They are sold through global trading networks.
Millions of dollars
in the palm of a hand.
Each diamond tells a story.
All shaped by science and skill.
Prices are determined by rarity and demand.